let us have subtracting rational algebraic expressions. So the concept in subtracting fractions will be applied here. For example, we have x squared over x minus 5 minus 25 over x minus 5. Since these are similar rational algebraic expressions, we can simply copy the common denominator x minus 5 and then subtract the numerator. So we have x squared minus 25 all over x minus 5. And since the numerator x squared minus 25 is the difference of two squares, and so we could factor this polynomial or this difference of two squares. So the factors are x plus 5 and x minus 5. So we have, for x squared, we have x times x, and then for negative 25, we have 5 times negative 5. Okay, now just copy the denominator x minus 5. So we can see common factor in the numerator and denominator, so we can cancel them. So we have x minus 5 divide x minus 5. This becomes 1. X minus 5 in the denominator divide x minus 5. So this becomes 1. So what it means is x plus 5 times 1. That is x plus 5 divided by 1. So that is x plus 5. So this is our final answer. Another one. We have 4x plus 7 all over x plus 6 minus 2x plus 8 all over x plus 6. Since these are similar rational algebraic expressions, so just like subtracting fractions, similar fractions, we just copy the common denominator and then subtract the numerators. So we have x plus 6 as the common denominator, and then we are going to subtract the numerator. So be careful with the sign since there are two terms in the numerator here. So we are going to include those terms in the parentheses. So we have this one. Then proceed to subtraction. We have 4x minus 2x, that is equal to 2x. And then 7 minus 8, that is negative 1. Okay, all over x plus 6, the denominator. Okay, since this is no longer factorable, so this is the final answer. Okay, another one. We have 5 over x minus 4 minus 3 over 4 minus x. The 4 minus x here can be rewritten in this form. The variable first and then followed by the constant. So we have negative x, this one negative x, plus 4, this one positive 4. Okay, and then just copy all the rest. And then factor the denominator. Since the denominators are different, we are going to factor them to look for the LCD or the least common denominator. So which are the least common multiple of the denominators. So we are going to factor them to see the LCD. Okay, so for x minus 4, since this is prime, so the factors would be x minus 4 and 1. So we have this one, x minus 4. Then, for negative x plus 4, we have the common monomial factor of negative 1. This one. And then for the other factor, we have negative x divide negative 1, that is positive x. And then positive 4 divide negative 1, that is negative 4. So the factors of negative x plus 4 are negative 1 and the quantity of x minus 4. So the LCD, we're going to write the denominator of the first rational expression. So we have x minus 4. And then for the second rational expression, for our softer hand, we are going to copy the factors of the denominator. So we have negative 1, this one, negative 1. And since x minus 4 here is common to x minus 4, which is the denominator of the other rational expression. So we need not, or we are not going to write this again because this is common to this one. So our LCD would be x minus 4, or the quantity of x minus 4 times negative 1. Now what we are going to do next is to divide this LCD by each denominator here. Okay, so x minus 4 times negative 1 divided by x minus 4, that is equal to negative 1. So we just cancel x minus 4 here and x minus 4 here. So the answer is negative 1 multiplied by the numerator. So just like subtracting dissimilar fractions. So LCD, again, LCD divided by the denominator multiplied by the numerator. So we have 5 times negative 1. Then, this LCD divide by this denominator. So we have x minus 4 times negative 1 divide negative 1 times x minus 4. So that is positive 1. Multiplied by the numerator. So we have minus 3 times 1. So this minus sign here comes from this operation symbol. This subtraction symbol. Okay. Then, let us distribute by multiplication. We have 5 times negative 1, that is negative 5. Negative 3 times 1, that is negative 3, all over the LCD. Okay. Then negative 5 minus 3, that is negative 8. Copy the LCD. Alright. And then negative 8 is still factorable. The factors are negative 1 and 8. This is understood as negative 1 here outside the parentheses. So negative 1 times 8 over x minus 4 times negative 1. So we can see common factor. We have negative 1 here and negative 1 here. We can cancel them out. So what it means is 8 over x minus 4. So this is our final answer. Another one. We have y squared over 3y minus 2 over x minus 15 over 9. So for the LCD, we're going to factor the denominator. So for 3y, the factors are 3 and y. And then for x is x and 1. And for 9, we have 3 times 3. So for the LCD, write the factors of the denominator in the first one. So we have 3y and 1. So no need to write 1. So we have 3y times x. So we have 3xy times 1, 3 here. One of the factors of 9. So we have 3y times x times one of the factors here, which is 3. So we have 9xy. So we're not going to include another one factor, which is 3 for 9, because it is already common to the factors of 3y. So the LCD would be 9xy. So that is the least common multiple of all the denominators here. So what's next is to divide the LCD by the denominators and then multiply by the numerators. So we have 9xy divided by 3y, that is equal to 3x multiplied by y squared. So we have 3xy squared. Then for the denominator, the second expression, we have 9xy divided by x times negative 2. So we have negative 2 times 9y. And then 9xy divided by 9, that is xy times 15. So we have negative 15 times xy. So remember that these two minus sign here is just copied also with this one, coming from this one. Okay. Now let us simplify by multiplication. So we have 3xy squared, just copy. Negative 2 times 9y, that is negative 18y. Then negative 15 times xy, that is negative 15xy. All over, just copy the denominator, 9xy. And then, for the numerator, 3xy squared minus 18y minus 15xy, we could see common monomial factor. So we have common factor of 3, negative 18, and negative 15 is 3. And then for the variable of each term, we have the common variable y. Okay, so that is the common monomial factor, 3y. So then, to find the other factor, we have 3xy squared divided by 3y, that is xy. Then, negative 18y divided by 3y, that's negative 6. And then, negative 15xy divided by 3y, that is negative 5x. So, all over 9x, y. Okay. Then, we could rewrite this one into... no, not yet. So, I am going to cancel the common factor in the numerator and denominator. Since for 3y in the numerator and 9xy in the denominator, we could see common factor 3y. So, 3y divide 3y, that is 1. So, this becomes 1. And then, 9xy divide 3y, this becomes 3x. Okay. So, what remains are xy minus 6 minus 5x. So, that's times 1. That is equal to xy minus 6 minus 5x. So, we have this one. And then, for the denominator is 3x. And then, for xy minus 6 minus 5x could be rewritten as this one. So, the one with variable first, we have xy minus 5x minus 6 all over 3x. Okay, last one. We have 2 over t plus 1 minus t minus 2 all over t squared minus t minus 2. So, yeah, I just copied this one, 2 over t plus 1. And then since this one, t squared minus t minus 2 is factorable, so I factored this one. The factors are t plus 1 times the quantity of t minus 2. Since t times t, that is equal to t squared. And then, positive 1 times negative 2, that is negative 2. Then, for the middle term, we have 1 and negative 2 combined, we get negative 1 here. So, these are the factors of t squared minus t minus 2. Now, as you could see, the numerator is t minus 2. Okay, there is a common factor in the second rational expressions. We have t minus 2 and t minus 2. So, t minus 2 divide t minus 2, that this becomes 1. And this becomes 1. So, we have here 2 over t plus 1 minus 1 over t plus 1. So, we are dealing now with similar rational algebraic expression. The common denominator is t plus 1. So, just copy and then subtract the numerator. So, 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So, this is our final answer. 1 over t plus 1.